Hello viewers at home, welcome to today's lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to determine the concentration of the commercial bleach or the concentration of the bleach that you have made by yourself. Alright, so you're welcome. Now to determine the concentration of the bleach, you need to take some amount of the bleach, the commercial bleach, let's say 25 cm cube of that bleach, and dilute it to 1000 cm cube of solution. Take about 25 cm cube of the bleach and dilute it to 1000 cm cube of solution using distilled water. And after diluting it, you prepare a standard sodium thiosulfate solution. A standard sodium thiosulfate solution, and then carry out the titration. Titrate the thiosulfate solution against a given volume of the bleach solution, and then you get an endpoint. So after this first titration, you carry out 2 or more titrations, 2 or more accurate titrations, and then after that you find your average titer. That is, you find the average volume of the sodium thiosulfate that is needed to react with a given volume of the bleach. Now, before you do this titration, you need also to prepare a standard hydrochloric acid solution of 2 mole per dm cube. You need to prepare a standard hydrochloric acid solution of 2 moles per dm cube, and you should also have potassium iodide ready. So your bleach actually contains sodium hypochlorite. Your bleach contains sodium hypochlorite, and the sodium hypochlorite needs to be changed to chlorine. So you add about 10 cm cube of the standard hydrochloric acid solution to the bleach. Add about 10 cm cube of the standard hydrochloric acid solution to a measured volume of the bleach. Let's say you have measured 25 cm cube of the bleach solution that you have prepared into a conical flask. So you add 10 cm cube of the 2 mole per dm cube HCl solution, and this acid will help to reduce the sodium hypochlorite to chlorine. So you have chlorine solution in the bleach. Alright, so you need to cover the conical flask and shake the solution. Alright, then after that you add the potassium iodide or some amount of potassium iodide to the chlorine solution. The chlorine solution will change to iodine, as the potassium iodide will change the chlorine solution to iodine solution. Alright, so in your conical flask you are going to have that brown solution, which is the iodine solution. So you carry out this titration against the iodine solution in the conical flask. That means your burette should contain the standard sodium thiosulfate solution. Fill your burette with the sodium thiosulfate solution and then titrate it with the iodine solution in the conical flask. Then you get an endpoint. After getting an endpoint, you carry out 2 or more accurate titration and then find your average titer. Okay, so after knowing your average titer, that's the volume of the sodium thiosulfate that is needed to react with the volume of the iodine in the conical flask. So once you get that volume, you can use it to calculate the concentration of the diluted bleach, the one you prepared, concentration of the diluted bleach. Now after getting the concentration of the diluted bleach, we can now use dilution formula to determine the concentration of the actual commercial bleach. So we use dilution formula to determine the concentration of the actual commercial bleach. Alright, so after knowing the concentration, we find the mass concentration of the bleach, find the mass concentration, that's how many grams of the concentrations of a commercial bleach is expressed in percentage weight to volume. That is the mass of the sodium hypochlorite that is present in 100 cm3 of the bleach solution. There are some bleach that have 3.5% of sodium hypochlorite. Now, most domestic bleach come in low percentage, like 3.5 gram per every 100 cm3. That's 3.5 weight to volume of the bleach. So that is it. For commercial purpose or for external uses, you can have bleaches that have higher concentration. Alright, thank you. But if you want to know more about how to determine the concentration of a commercial bleach, if this tutorial is not clear enough to you and you wish to contact me, drop a comment in the comment section, then I will give you my WhatsApp number so we can talk. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.